Hey, this is Steven with Capture Shadow 360. Today I am unboxing a Insta360 X4 Air. If you guys seen my previous videos, you know I recently bought an X4, maybe about 3 months ago. Sad to note, I lost it in El Limon waterfall in the Dominican Republic. I jumped off a waterfall and had it in my hand, and it sank to the bottom and it was too deep to dive. And then if you know that, then you also know 3 months before that, I tried this trick I saw online where you tie your Insta camera on a fishing line and throw it out. I did that, the line popped and my X2 went sailing. So now, third time's a charm, I am unboxing an X4 Air. As you see right away, the size of the boxes are significantly different. The X4 Air is half the size. It's supposed to have the same capabilities as the X4, just smaller. Going in here, open that up. All right, so it opens up. As you see here, yeah, I don't have the X4 to show you because like I opened up the X4 box. This is where the X4 was. So it's about an inch shorter. It's about the same thickness and it is lighter. So a couple of things I see right away. We're back to the one button instead of the two buttons, which I liked. The two buttons seem to, be a little overkill. You have the quick button and the power button on the side. Still same connections. The battery, same location with the memory card. All right, a couple of things we see in the box. Go through. Let's open this up. Got the power cord, micro USB. You also have the padded case, which slides in, which I actually liked about the X2. It's a sliding case. The X4 came with a zipper case, so it wasn't as convenient getting it in and out. So some cleaning stickers. It's a little bit different. What I don't see in here, so you see a cleaning pad. The old X4 came with lens covers, which I don't see in this box. This is my X4 lens cover, which, interesting, doesn't fit. So that's a difference I see here. The lenses look smaller on this Air. So I don't know how that affects the image quality. The lenses are smaller. It's supposed to have a better processor. And it is significantly lighter, easier to put in your pocket. All right. So we have the X4 Air here. A couple other things I bought. This one just came off of Amazon. I bought a wrist strap. Would have probably prevented me from losing my last one because I had a extra long selfie stick. And I was just holding it in my hand, and as soon as I hit the water, the force just shot it out of my hand. So a wrist strap with a metal connection point that you screw in, so you can screw it in directly to the camera or into a selfie stick. And then I did buy a new selfie stick. I did not buy the one I had before. The one I had before was really long and each component screwed out. This one, it's a big box for just this. So then this one, it actually looks like the Insta360 stick. So you just pull it out and then you turn to lock, from what I understand. See? Yeah, see? So then there's the extra long selfie. Not extra long, this is a probably medium size selfie stick. And then that's it. That's my new setup.